Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. In that exercise 2.4, third question. The question is given, show that x minus 2 comma x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay, so if these are the factors of the particular polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24, if we substitute the 0 of the factor, if ఈ factor 0 ని ఈ polynomial place లో substitute చేస్తే, in the place of x, if you substitute it, the value of a polynomial becomes 0. Then only we can say that it is a factor. Okay, so now I am taking here first one, given polynomial that is p of x is equals to, I am taking that is x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay, first of all, what is the factor given? X minus 2 is a factor. Okay, now what is the factor? The factor is equals to, that is x minus 2. Okay, what I am doing, I am equating to 0. ఈ factor ని 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నా. Then I get a x is equals to minus 2 transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 2. So x is equals to what nana? 2. ఈ 2 ని you just substitute, you just replace in the place of x. Okay, that is p of 2 is equals to x cube means that is 2 cube minus 3 of x square means that is 2 whole square minus 10 of x means that is 2 plus 24. Now 2 whole cube means 2 raised to the power 3, అంటే 2 ని 3 times multiply చేయండి. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 cube means 8 minus 3 of 2 whole square means that is 2 square means that is 4 minus 10 2s are 20 plus 24. 8 means I am writing 8 only. Minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into 4, that is minus 24 minus 20 plus 24. Here 8 is positive, 24 is positive, minus plus 2. Okay, 8 positive, here sorry here 3 4s are 12 nana, here 3 4s are 12. Okay, so here 8 is positive, 24 is positive, so 8 plus 24, that is what nana? We get 32. Here minus 12, here minus 12 minus 20, that is also minus 32. Clearly p of 2 that is equals to minus plus 22 minus 22, that becomes what nana? 0. So we can say that therefore we can say that x minus 2 is a, therefore we can say that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, because of if you replace in the place of x the 0 of the factor, we get the value of a polynomial is 0. Okay, now so first one, x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Then go for the next one, and in the same manner, what is the next one given x plus 3. Okay, now what is the factor? The given divisor. Okay, now that is x plus 3. that also I am equating to 0. Then I get a 3 is transposing to RHS side, we get x is equals to what, nana? Minus 3. Okay na? So now replace in the place of x with minus 3. So that is p of minus 3 is equals to x cube, means that is minus 3 whole cube, minus 3 of x square means minus 3 whole square, minus 10 of x means that is minus 3 plus 24. Minus 3 whole cube means that is 3 raised to the power 3, minus 3 raised to the power 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, but we get the minus 27 because of minus 3 is a negative number, the power is odd. Here minus 3 is there. Minus 3 whole square means we get that is 9. 3 square means 9. But here it's a negative, but power is even, we get positive. Minus of minus, minus 10 into minus 3, minus of minus plus, 10 3s are 30 plus 24. Now minus 27, here minus 3 of 9, that is also minus 27, plus 30 plus 24, that is 54. Minus 27 minus 27, that is minus 54 plus 54. So clearly we get p of minus 3. Okay na, that is equals to what, nana? We get 0. Minus 54 plus 54 means 0. So we replaced in the polynomial in the place of in x plus lo 3 toti replace cheste, the value of a polynomial is becomes what, nana? 0. So therefore we can say that x plus 3 is a factor of the polynomial, p of x. P of x polynomial ki x plus 3 also factor. Now let us check for the next one. The next one is what? X minus 4. One more given, that one x minus 4. I just want to equating it 0. Then 4 is transposing to RHS side, x is equals to 4 plus 4. Now replace in the place, replace x with 4. Then what we get? P of 4 is equals to x cube, means that is 4 power 3 minus 3 of x square means that is 4 whole square, minus 10 of x means that is 4 plus 24. That is 4 power 3 means 4 raised to the power 3. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Minus 3 of 4 whole square means that is 4 4s are 16. Minus 10 4s are minus 10 into 4, that is minus 40 plus 24. Now 64 means 64 only. Minus 3 into 16, minus 3 into 16, that is minus 48, minus 40 plus 24. Here P of 4 is equals to, ikkada vachesi plus 64, here plus 24, plus 64 plus 24, that is plus 84, minus 48 minus 40, minus 48 minus 40, that is, sorry, plus 64 plus 24, that is plus 88, minus 48 minus 40, that is minus 88. So that is equals to what, nana? 0. Plus 88 to minus 88, 0. So we replace x with 4, the value of the polynomial p of x, that is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24, it becomes what, nana? 0. Therefore we can say that x minus 4 is a factor of p of x. So what is our question? Show that x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 4, these are the factors of the polynomial. Yes. Okay, na? These three are the factors of the given polynomial. So this is the required answer for this question. Now one more question in this. The question number 5, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r show that p is equals to r. What is the question, Anna? The question is, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p is equals to r. This is the question. Already in question only these are the factors అనేసి ఇచ్చేసారు. So now take the given data. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial that is f of x is equals to px square plus 5x plus r. Okay, f of x is equals to px square plus 5x plus r. So in case 1 I am taking x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Already in question only given it is a factor of f of x, means we can take x minus 2 is equals to 0 ki equal cheste we get x is equals to what? Plus 2. So you just replace x with 2, then what happens? See, f of 2 is equals to p of, in the place of x and I'm substituting 2, that is 2 whole square plus 5 of 2 plus r, means that is 2 square means p of 2 square means that is 4 plus 5 2s are 10 plus r. Then we get p into 4, that is 4p plus r plus 10. Okay, so we get this is the equation 1, 4p plus r plus 10. Okay, if we replace x with 2, let us go for the next case 2. What is the case 2? Case 2 lo x minus 1 by 2 also 0 of a polynomial. In case 2, x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 by 2 is a factor of p of x. This time I am going to replace x with 1 by 2. అంటే ఇది just x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయండి. We get x is equals to minus 1 by 2 transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 is equals to p of 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 of x means what, Nana? That is 1 by 2 plus r. Okay, now what I am taking here, p of 1 by 2 whole square means that is 1 by 4. 1 square means 1, 2 whole square means 4, plus 5 of 1 by 2 means that is 5 by 2 plus r. Now what I am taking, p into 1, that is p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r. By taking the LCM, r in the denominator 1 తీసుకోండి, we get LCM as 4. 4 to 1. ఈ 4 to 1 కి LCM చేస్తే మనకు 4 వస్తుంది. 4, the denominator 4, how many times in that? 1 time. That's why 1 into p అంటే p వస్తుంది. Plus the denominator of the second fraction, that is 2. It is how many times in this LCM? 2 అనేది 4 లో 2 times. That's why 2 into 5, that is we get 10. Plus here 1, denominator as 1. It is how many times? 4. 4 లో 4 times. 1 4s. That's why with 4 into r we get 4r. ఓకేనా? దాన్ని 0కి ఈక్వల్ చేసేయండి. ఓకేనా? Here also that is equals to 0 just before we get now. So then p plus 10 plus 4r is equals to ఈ division quantity ని RHS side transfer చేస్తే it becomes into quantity, that is 0. So clearly we get here p plus 4r plus 10 is equals to 0. So this is the second equation. By observing the first equation, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Both are the factors now. So that's why what I am taking here, the first equation is what? 4p plus r is equals to e plus 10 kuda RHS side transfer cheste it becomes minus 10. And the second equation what nana? That is p plus 4r is equals to ikkada unna e plus 10 kuda RHS side transfer cheste it becomes minus 10. Clearly I just want to cancel these two, but the coefficients are not same. Here the p coefficient is 4, here p coefficient is 1. So that's why what I am doing, I am multiplying the complete this equation with 1 and I am multiplying complete this one with 4. 1 into 4p and something, 1 into 4p plus 1 into r is equals to 1 into 10, that is minus 10. Okay now? Clearly, yeah. Show that. Next 4 into complete దీంతో multiply చేస్తున్నాం. 4 into p, that is 4p plus 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. So ikkada cancel p value, no need to take the p value nana. So simple ga equating cheste it is chance to get. Okay na, no need to take like this. I just want to equating the equations. 4p plus r plus 10 is equals to p plus 4r plus 10. ఈ రెండింటిని ఈక్వేటింగ్ చేస్తున్నా. Then what happens? Here plus 10 cancel, both are having like signs. Okay, here 4p is there, this p is transposing to this side means it becomes minus p. Here 4r is there, plus r transposing to this side becomes minus r. 4p minus 1p, that is 3p, and 4r minus 1r, that is 3r. Okay na, both are factors means I just equating to both sides. First equation ni second equation ni equating chesa, plus 10 cancel, both side having like signs. ఈ p ని LHS side transfer chesa becomes minus p, ఈ r ని RHS side transfer chesa it becomes minus r. So clearly 4p minus 1p, that is 3p, 4r minus 1r, that is 3r. 3 cancel means p is equals to r. So this is the required answer. Okay na? Is it clear? So you to practice the remaining questions in the same manner. Thank you.